Whether you're coding your next app or working through business documents, KasmOS on ChromeOS gives you the power of a full Linux desktop delivered securely through a progressive web app. Launching KasmOS from the ChromeOS launcher, this is a full Linux environment delivered as a container running directly in a secure session. Using the DLP slide bar, I will instantly push this session full screen, perfect for immersive work. Now, over on your left-hand side is the DLP toolbar. It's packed with controls. Not only does it keep things secure like blocking copy and paste or downloads or uploads, but also lets me switch display modes. I'll go ahead and use it now to expand to a full dual monitor setup. With dual monitors, I can expand my desktop and boost productivity here. Now I'm going to launch an OnlyOffice application to showcase the ability to move between the different monitor sets. I can easily drag the OnlyOffice window between monitors just like a local app, giving me flexibility to work where it makes the most sense. Now let's switch gears, launching VSCode inside KasmOS to handle development tasks. I'm even running a local LLM coding assistant inside the container, getting real-time code suggestions, all while staying compliant with DLP policies. KasmOS and ChromeOS deliver a secure, high-performance workspace that flexes between business and development tools without compromise.